Let's see, there was one. Oh, here we go.
Can I see
This
the
one's-
red screwdriver?
This one uses a different type of 3D printer, but these are other good examples of how you're prototyping. So here's a lens for a camera.
Oh my god, it's so cool.
Oh my goodness.
Here's a headlamp. If I had the battery in there, it would actually work,
That's
but I don't.
3D printed?
Yep, this is 3D printed. This is 3D printed and then has a finishing job on it. So they used an acetone vapor bath probably, and then coated it with paint. So you can paint it and finish it some more.
Does it actually light up? How'd they make the light inside?
That part's not 3D printed. It's the enclosure that
I know, I was like,
you're prototyping. Here's some sunglasses. This is from a different type of printer, but it's still product design. You could print the frames and everything in the white plastic, but this 3D printer was actually able to print the glass as well in the different colors.
Oh.
There's a wheel, and if you feel it, it feels just like rubber, although it's a UV polymer.
Oh yeah. This feels like a real wheel.
It feels like a real wheel, exactly. It's a pretty good prototype.
Whoa. Wait, what is that printed with?
It's called a UV polymer. So it uses UV light and a glue-like substance, and it prints one layer and then cures it using the UV light.
That's weird. That's cool.
It prints almost like an inkjet printer. So it has a head with tons of nozzles on it, and each pass lays down layer after layer, and then the UV lamp cures it.
How long does that take to print?
Quite a while.
Yeah, I wonder how long these stick to print.
But those
Is
are some
this-
pretty cool
Is
examples.
this wheel like one of the like the faster ones? Because it's just not that much to do.
There's a lot of limitations in terms of speed with 3D printing because, well, the more accurate you get, so the finer the layer resolution. This one's 0.007 inches, very small. But the smaller you make that, the better your model will look, but the more layers it has and the more travel time the head has, which makes it longer and longer. So you play against this either quality or time. And so there's that limitation. Everybody wants higher quality, but they also want more. They want it to be quicker, and those just don't play well together.
Yeah. You gotta choose one.
Yeah, but they're working on it. Some of the UV printers, they're trying to use really powerful lasers to cure layers really fast and be able to print faster. So we're getting there. Or we can use bigger filament, thicker layers, and print in cement, which they're also working on.
All right.
Cement? Printing in
Yeah,
cement?
they build houses
They're-
with 3D printers,
Yep.
right?
They're working on it.
Houses with 3D printers?
Multi-layer houses, in fact, they're working on building.
Holy moly.
Yeah.
2-story houses.
Mhm.
What if they could build a skyscraper with a 3D?
There's also a couple of 3D metal printers that are currently building a bridge towards each other. So
They
they're
could
actually
build
starting on
cars.
two sides of a riverbank, and they're building their own tracks and own scaffolding and building themselves towards each other.
Do you think they could build cars?
They've already 3D printed a car.
Really?
Yep.
So you can 3D print
And
anything?
not all parts of it, but most parts are printable. If they were actually to source them all out, you can 3D print a lot of metals. They're 3D printing like jet engine parts and things like that already.
That's amazing.